Matt and Chris with Terra Firma Roamers. Today is garage day, and today we're going to be showing you how to put Rago Fabrication ditch brackets on an FJ Cruiser. So we're going to show you step-by-step process, 1, 2, 3. Probably show a few little time lapses of what we're doing, but we'll be doing this today. And here is the vehicle that's getting the Rago brackets here. It's Chris's bright blueberry blue FJ Cruiser, and we'll be doing this step by step.
So the first thing we're going to do is remove the cowl piece right here so that we can get underneath to actually fix the bracket. The first part of that is kind of prying up from this side, which I'm going to put a little bit of tape in the seam because we're going to use a straight edge or maybe a little bit of a pry bar to get in there, and don't really want to mar the paint on the bottom side there.
Once again, this particular FJ does have a snorkel, so we will be unbolting the door jamb bolts there to help wedge, and of course we will be removing the antenna to make that an easier install with the cowl. So. Alright users, the thing that we need to do is on this clip here, actually need bent downward a little bit to make room for the overcompensation of the thickness with the powder coating. So a little bit of that will help bring that back into fruition on the right side. In this situation, the stock Baja Designs wiring harness is not actually spread wide enough for us to stretch to both lights. So We're going to have to splice in some extra cabling just to make it reach the other light. That may also do with the fact that the spread of the FJ Cruiser is a little bit wider. So some of you guys, I know, actually really enjoy making your own wiring harnesses, but this is just something we're going to have to do for this FJ. So. Alright, so lights are installed. Biggest recommendation that Chris and I both have for you is have an extra set of factory clips for the inside. They do need to be possibly replaced just due to the fact of the brittle plastic they're made out of. Other than that though, they mount up quite well. It's a tight, very snug fit, but they work. And we will be wiring this guy up here in a second and give you guys a little show.